Now it's locked.
Where is that? Is that?
Now it's not locked. Now it's open.
Is that?
It's open.
Baby, come here, baby, come here. Yeah, baby, come.
Okay, let's go. Thank you. Where are we going?
It's closing. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I don't know. What are we gonna do? Should we show? You want to get out your music box or do some colors?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Thank you, Noah. Why don't we take it to the living room?
Let's go down there. I covered with this bit.
That goes in your basket.
The music box.
Watch your fingers.
And watch. See it? Almost see it? Here.
How many crayons are in there?
1, 2.
Yes. Let's put 9 crayons in there.